to use Rika Sensors wireless anemometer. You'll receive 2 boxes after purchase. This box contains a digital wind speed alarm, featuring a wireless module and a relay interface, a power cord, 4 screws, a plastic screw cap, and a wireless antenna. Inside the box is the wind speed sensor, with bolts, nuts, and washers, and a power supply cable, and wireless antenna attached to the sensor. First, secure the wind speed sensor to the bracket with 2 screws. In actual scenarios, it is necessary to pay attention to maintaining a horizontal installation. Next, install and fix the digital wind speed alarm on the wall, and install the antenna of the alarm instrument at the same time. Adjust the antenna angle properly. The power supply line sequence and connection mode of wind speed sensor and alarm are shown in figure. If you need to connect a relay, just hook it up to the corresponding interface like this. After completing the above steps, the installation is complete by power on testing the sensor and the alarm instrument. Connect the power cord properly and turn on the alarm switch. Under normal circumstances, the screen will display the current real-time wind speed. If E00 is displayed, this indicates an abnormal reception of sensor data. Please check the cable connection. Next, set the warning value and alarm value. First, press the settings key. The screen shows a flashing email. Press the jar key to adjust the warning value. Note that the warning value should be lower than the alarm value. After adjusting the warning value, press the settings key again, and the alarm will flash. Press the jar key to adjust the alarm value. After the settings are completed, press the settings key to enter the normal working state. Press the test button to test the alarm function. At this point, the alarm light is on. An audible alarm sounds, and the relay operates.